Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to set up a Trezor Wallet, only way. Start by unboxing the device, verifying the seal, and connecting it with the official cable to your computer or phone. Open the official app or web interface and follow on-screen prompts to install firmware and create a new wallet. Prepare a secure place to write your recovery phrase and never share it with anyone. Begin by setting a strong PIN directly on the device and confirm each digit on the screen to avoid malware capture. Only install firmware through the official app and verify the device displays matching installation prompts. When the recovery phrase appears, write each word clearly on the recovery card, double-check for accuracy, and store that card in a secure, offline location away from cameras. Learn how to receive and send funds by always confirming the receiving address on the Trezor device, not just on your computer screen. Consider the optional passphrase feature only if you understand the added responsibility of backing up that secret. Regularly update firmware and companion apps to maintain security and follow best practices like using cold storage for long-term holdings and small transfers for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.